I made an AI video with no camera, no face, no editing experience, and then I just let it sit. What happened next is either going to motivate you or completely change how you think about this whole faceless YouTube thing, because the results were not what I expected. Not in a bad way, in a way that actually showed me what this model is and isn't good for, and what most people teaching this stuff completely skip over. So in this video, I'm walking you through the exact process I used, what I got back, and honestly, what I'd do differently next time. Here's exactly what I built, step by step. Step 1. I went into ChatGPT and asked it to generate video ideas based on what people are actually searching for right now. Not random stuff. I gave it a niche, a target viewer, and told it to focus on beginner-friendly topics with high search volume. It spat out 10 ideas in about 30 seconds. I picked one that felt underserved, meaning I checked YouTube and the top results were either old or not that great. That's the move. Don't compete with great videos. Find the gap. Step 2. I turned that idea into a script, still inside ChatGPT. I gave it a format, hook, explanation, takeaway, CTA, and told it to write like a human, not a Wikipedia article. Then I edited it. That part matters. The AI gets you 80% there. You close the gap. Step 3. I pasted the script into ElevenLabs. Picked a voice that sounds natural. Not robotic, not overproduced. One that sounds like someone actually talking to you.
You can copy your script from ChatGPT and paste it directly here in ElevenLabs text-to-speech.
Step 4. Visuals. I used Canva to put it together. If you want something faster, Pictory can match visuals to your script automatically. I wanted more control this time, so I went manual. Either works. Total time from idea to uploaded video, about 3 hours. For my first one at this quality level, that felt pretty good. Okay, so what actually happened? I uploaded the video and left it alone for a week. No promotion, no sharing it in groups, just the algorithm doing its thing. Here's what I noticed. Views came in. Slowly. But they came. And more importantly, the retention curve wasn't bad. People were actually watching past the midpoint. That tells me the format works. The AI voice didn't kill it. The structure held people. Now, did it make money? Not yet. And I want to be real with you about that. A brand new channel with one video doesn't hit monetization thresholds overnight. Anyone telling you otherwise is selling you something. But here's what it did do. It proved the concept. The topic worked, the format worked, and the path to income is clear. That path, it's not ad revenue at first. It's the link in the description. A relevant tool, a resource, something that actually helps the person watching, with an affiliate link attached. That's where early income comes from before you hit 1,000 subscribers. The video I made, I linked to ElevenLabs. Every time someone clicks and signs up, I earn a commission. It's not huge at this stage, but it's real, it's passive, and it scales as the views compound. So does AI video actually make money? Yes, but not the way most people expect it to. It's not one video going viral. It's 10 videos building a body of work. It's the affiliate link that earns while you sleep. It's the channel that looks credible enough that a sponsor reaches out at 5,000 subscribers. The people I've seen actually make this work aren't trying to hack the algorithm. They're just being consistent. One video a week. Same niche, getting slightly better each time. And the AI tools make that consistency possible. Because without them, one video a week is brutal. With them, it's actually manageable. That's the real unlock. Not get rich with AI videos. It's finally being able to show up consistently without burning out. I'm going to keep documenting this. So if you want to follow along and see what actually works, you can subscribe. I'll keep it simple. And if you want to try this yourself, I've linked the tools I used in the description. See you next week.